Hey there, food lovers. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a classic American goulash, just like your grandma used to. We're talking hearty, comforting, and perfect for those chilly nights. And the best part? You can make it either in a crock pot or on the stove. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get our ingredients together. You'll need a large chopped yellow onion, some olive oil, and 2 pounds of lean ground beef. If you're feeling adventurous, you can swap the beef for ground turkey. Next up, grab 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of tomato sauce. For flavor, we're using fresh garlic, soy sauce, dried Italian herb seasoning, salt, and bay leaves. And of course, you can't have goulash without elbow macaroni. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat some olive oil in a large pot, toss in your chopped onion, and cook until it's nice and soft. Then, add the ground beef and cook until it's browned. Throw in some minced garlic for that extra kick. Now stir in some water, your diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Add the soy sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, and bay leaves. Bring this delicious mix to a simmer. Once it's simmering, stir in the uncooked elbow macaroni. Cover the pot, let it simmer until the pasta is tender, and boom! Your stovetop goulash is ready to go. But what if you want to use a crock pot? No problem. Preheat your slow cooker on high. Follow the same steps for cooking the onion and beef. Then, place the browned beef and onion mixture into the preheated slow cooker. Mix in the water, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, soy sauce, Italian seasoning, seasoned salt, and bay leaves. Add the uncooked macaroni, give it a good stir, and cook on high for 1 hour. Got leftovers? Store your goulash in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. It reheats wonderfully in the microwave or on the stove. Now, while you can freeze goulash for up to 2 months, keep in mind that cooked pasta can get a bit funky in the freezer. A little hack: cook the pasta separately if you plan to freeze. And there you have it, folks. Classic American goulash, warm and ready for your table. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This isn't Hungarian goulash. It's that Midwestern comfort food I grew up on in Iowa. We used Worcestershire sauce instead of soy sauce, skipped the bay leaf, and added a green pepper if we had one. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking.